A skilled roller skater fearlessly takes on the biggest ramp in the southern hemisphere, performing breathtaking tricks and stunts as he glides smoothly across the surface, showcasing his balance, agility, and fearlessness. The skater's daring flips and turns leave the crowd cheering in amazement, pushing the limits of what seems possible on roller skates. A powerful display of strength and precision as a Chinese martial artist channels his inner energy, delivering a single punch that shatters 3 solid bricks in a single strike, leaving the audience in awe of his skill. With a show of extraordinary strength, a man effortlessly lifts a massive piece of wood with just one hand, demonstrating his incredible power and control, much to the amazement of onlookers. His calm demeanor while holding the heavy object high above his head is a testament to his remarkable strength and poise. A skilled athlete twirls a heavy hammer around, building momentum before releasing it with precision, sending it flying behind his back and landing perfectly in the designated spot, a testament to his technique and accuracy. A group of elite Chinese martial artists, all successful in their own right, train together, executing synchronized movements with grace and power. Their unity and discipline are as impressive as their individual skills. Every move is executed with flawless precision, embodying years of dedication and camaraderie. A young girl skillfully aims and kicks a football into a small hole, showing off her exceptional control and accuracy. Her impressive footwork leaves everyone astounded. Cheers erupt as the ball sails perfectly into the hole. With perfect balance and coordination, a man runs across a narrow standing stick without losing his footing, showcasing a rare combination of agility and focus. His daring sprint on the stick defies gravity, leaving spectators holding their breath. An elderly man surprises everyone with his perfect throw, sending the football soaring straight into the net. His aim and strength are a testament to his enduring athleticism. A young contortionist bends his body in seemingly impossible ways, folding his legs over his shoulders and displaying his extreme flexibility and control. His body twists and turns effortlessly, drawing gasps of disbelief from onlookers. In an impressive show of skill, a man shoots a football into the goal, completely outsmarting the goalkeeper. His precision and timing make it a goal to remember. The goalkeeper's stunned reaction adds to the thrill of the perfectly executed shot. With powerful kicks, a martial artist repeatedly strikes a kickbag, each impact reverberating through the air. His strength and technique are undeniable. The force of each kick leaves visible dents in the bag, defying expectations. A boy expertly maneuvers his bicycle up a steep mountainside using just one leg, displaying extraordinary balance and determination. His fearless ascent inspires awe and admiration from those watching below. A man uses his sheer strength to lift the front of a heavy tractor, raising it off the ground and holding it steady, an incredible feat of power and control. Spectators watch in disbelief as the tractor hovers, defying gravity and logic. With a strong jaw and iron will, a man performs squats while lifting heavy weights using only his teeth, showcasing a remarkable display of strength and resilience. Each lift is accompanied by gasps of disbelief, highlighting his unique strength. In a surprising act, a man uses a simple handkerchief to strike a bottle with precision, shattering it completely. His accuracy and force leave everyone astonished. The delicate handkerchief, which shouldn't break glass. Amidst the cheers of the crowd, a man executes a flawless backflip in the middle of a club, landing perfectly on his feet and earning admiration from everyone around. His acrobatic prowess energizes the atmosphere. With precise aim and flexibility, a girl kicks a target set high above her head, reaching the mark with ease and showcasing her exceptional martial arts skills. Each kick resonates with precision. Balancing gracefully on 2 bottles, a young gymnast holds a perfect handstand, demonstrating her incredible balance, strength, and focus. Every muscle in her body tenses as she maintains the position with unwavering control. A man and a girl perform a daring acrobatic trick where he throws her into the air, allowing her to flip before catching her safely on his feet. A thrilling and impressive act of coordination and trust. Their teamwork and precision captivate the audience. 2 men engage in a unique walking challenge, balancing on sticks without letting their feet touch the ground, moving in perfect sync and harmony. Their effortless glide on sticks seems like defying the very laws of physics. A man masterfully maneuvers a parachute, using the wind to his advantage as he floats gracefully, showcasing his expertise in handling the parachute with precision. With a perfect pirouette, a girl spins rapidly in a 360 degrees position, maintaining her balance and form, creating a mesmerizing visual effect. Each turn is seamless, reflecting her control and dedication. Her graceful movements captivate the audience, leaving them in awe of her skill and finesse. A fearless man launches himself into the air, spinning once before executing a perfect double flip and landing gracefully, an impressive display of aerial acrobatics. The crowd holds its breath as he flips effortlessly, finally landing with a triumphant smile. Two men create a human tower, with one holding a pole and the other balancing on his hand high above the ground, a breathtaking act of strength and balance. Their coordination and trust are evident as they maintain their position, thrilling the audience with their daring performance. A woman walks while holding a little girl by her long hair, demonstrating a rare combination of power and balance. Each step is deliberate and controlled, making the spectacle both beautiful and extraordinary. The audience watches in astonishment as they move in perfect sync. A boy cycles around skillfully while juggling several items at once, combining coordination and focus to perform an impressive multitasking stunt. His movements are smooth and precise. Riding at high speed, a boy takes his bicycle through a complete 360 degrees loop, defying gravity and leaving the audience in awe of his daring stunt. The crowd erupts in cheers as he completes the loop with perfect balance. In a public demonstration, a boy performs a cycling stunt, holding the bike steady on just one wheel while spinning in place, showcasing his balance and control. He maneuvers the bike effortlessly, making it look easy and effortless to those watching. A man skillfully juggles multiple balls in the air, varying the patterns and tricks to keep the audience engaged and entertained with his dexterity. The balls move in sync with his movement. A young gymnast gracefully executes a series of flips, each one more challenging than the last, displaying her strength, agility, and years of training. With a unique twist, a boy performs stunts on a tire as he moves down a set of stairs, keeping his balance and control, astonishing onlookers. A man throws coins into the air and catches each one flawlessly, showcasing his quick reflexes and focus. His ability to catch each coin perfectly leaves the audience in awe of his precision and skill. Two energetic boys perform synchronized flips on a trampoline, matching each other's movements and showcasing their agility and fearlessness. A determined man rapidly climbs a wall, making his way up with incredible speed and precision, highlighting his climbing prowess and strength. A girl sends a ball flying perfectly into the target, her impeccable shot skillfully demonstrating her talent and focus. Each shot hits its mark. In a thrilling race, a group of sailors skillfully navigate their boat, outpacing the competition and leaving everyone in awe of their speed and teamwork. The boat cuts through the water with remarkable agility. A boy dives off a high platform, slicing through the water seamlessly and earning applause for his diving skills. The splashless entry and flawless execution highlight his years of practice and dedication. A man jumps onto an iron rod, performs a flip, and lands safely on the ground, showcasing his agility and fearlessness. A man handstands on a skateboard, gliding down the road with ease, turning heads with his unique stunt. His smooth motions and confident posture make the trick seem deceptively simple. With perfect aim, a man strikes the snooker ball, sending it straight into a narrow glass opening, an impressive shot that requires precision and skill. The ball's trajectory is flawless, and the audience applauds as it lands perfectly in the glass. With incredible balance, a Chinese man holds a large teacup on his head, moving carefully and demonstrating his exceptional stability and poise. Each step he takes is deliberate, and the teacup remains perfectly balanced, defying logic and expectation. In an indoor skydiving chamber, a girl floats and maneuvers gracefully, perfecting her skills in the controlled environment before taking to the skies. Her movements simulate the experience of real skydiving, preparing her for the real challenge ahead. A boy effortlessly combines rope skipping and backflips, moving fluidly between the two as he showcases his athleticism and coordination. A boy executes a double backflip from a standing position, landing smoothly and demonstrating his incredible aerial abilities. The crowd erupts in applause as he nails the landing. A skilled athlete performs a series of tumbling flips on the tournament floor, each movement more dynamic than the last. In a show of strength and balance, a girl performs a handstand on a small iron plate, holding her position perfectly despite the challenging surface. Each second she maintains the pose is a testament to her strength and focus,